completely automated, which is what the benefit of SaaS is. And more specifically, I'm going to get into it, what high-level SaaS is and how you can do the exact same thing when you want to start growing a business using their software platform, how people can just simply sign up for the software and then you don't even have to speak to people and you start collecting money every single month for them using a software that you didn't have to spend time to create. You pay a subscription to High Level, and High Level allows you to rent their entire software platform. Not only do they allow you to rent it, but they allow you to put a logo on it, to brand it as your own software. They allow you to use your own URL. So really to your customer, it looks like it's your software, not necessarily High Level's, but High Level doesn't care because they have multiple subscription plans. And I'll get into that a little bit later on in the video in just a few minutes. But here's basically how it works. If you're interested, here's a user, computer, desktop. You can log into the web browser or use a mobile app. It goes out to the cloud. There's SaaS providers, big data centers that all this stuff is being held in. And this is how it works. And again, one of the great things about it is because it's so scalable, people can actually start reducing the price because there's very little involved in maintaining it. All they have to do is just continue to grow the infrastructure in the back end and maintain the original application. Now, that's the key. Building that application takes millions and millions of dollars, years of development to fine tune that because Netflix didn't get started from scratch. It had to start out and build the entire infrastructure. But now that it's up and going, imagine if you have 200 million people subscribing to your service and you just increase your fees by $1. You increase it from $15 to $16 a month. Most people aren't going to blink at that. But to Netflix, they just made an additional $1 for 200 million people. That's $200 million more per month that they're bringing in. And most people aren't going to freak out over a dollar increase in their streaming media and their entertainment.